Hi guys, this is Dosh Fundamentals and my name is Ankit. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about why we are seeing so much opposition, so much resistance, not for the Doge coins, not only from the normal government regulations, people and everything, but even from the people like I would call it like crypto experts and crypto gurus and like all those people why they are why they are not accepting it and why they are refusing. Like how I say is like I've been watching so many videos in last couple of days where I want to see which are the top 10 cryptocurrencies, upcoming cryptocurrencies, and they talk about everything. They talk about bitcoins and they talk about Ethereum, XRPs, and they go all the way to like number 16 some currency or something, I don't know, but they never mention Dogecoin. They never mention, like they go even some of them have mentioned Tether also, like which is the USD currency, but they don't mention Dogecoin. But why? What I believe and what I have noticed is, see, there is a resistance. The resistance earlier they had with the law, like sometimes what you know and sometimes what you perceive is your belief, and like sometimes something different happens, people resist to accept it, and sometimes people who have brought the change now they are stuck to those beliefs. They believe that Dogecoin doesn't solve any problem, but that's what was the idea. That's what was with Cardano I'm seeing like the proof of stake, with Ethereum I'm seeing proof of work, and with this like something is trying to solve the value chain, and something is trying to solve with the financial world, and something. So, and Dogecoin apparently doesn't solve any problem. This, as they say, and they say it's a meme, and it's just rolling up based on Elon Musk tweets and everything, and one day it's all going to collapse. I don't believe this is the case. Yes, he is a supporter, and that's where yes, with that support it's booming. But this is not the fundamental issue. This is not the fundamental cause for Dogecoin to come up. Fundamental cause for Dogecoin to come up is normal people like us, you and me, people like who don't want to who don't see these people. What they have done is usually if you see in the crypto world now, people who have been making money so far are the people who are like geeks, nerds, techies, and who understand that Ethereum is better in this solution, and Cardano is better in this solution, and they have this problem, and there is this hash speed, and there is this uh, whatever you call it, the transaction speed, 50,000 transactions per second and 100,000 transactions per second, or this takes this much long and this takes. See, banks take days. If you solve if you want to transfer money, the blockchain is already solving a big problem, and that's where the intention. That's why it's called cryptocurrency. It's not called crypto product, and that's what they're trying to solve. That it's a currency for any other product. See, it's like tomorrow if Tesla or tomorrow if any company they start their own cryptocurrency, that you can buy a Tesla car with this Tesla currency something. No, that is a product. That is not a currency. Currency is something which buys the products. They are still not understanding that its simplicity itself is the reason why it's winning and why it will win in the long run. So that's why I really hate the this when people talk about Dogecoin, and when they say like it's a meme, it's a currency which it's going to go down and it's a joke. No, it's not a joke. Yes, it started as a joke because they wanted to show that anything as simple as just something which sits on the blockchain, which has some certain value, and sorry, which can which can be traded, which can be exchanged, for whatever reason, and that's what it's doing. That's the simplicity. It's not trying to be the fastest currency, or it's not trying to do the NFTs. Although that's my point. Tomorrow maybe it can, maybe or if something which can that you can buy with Dogecoins. Like tomorrow, if for some reason you have somebody if Dogecoin is popular and it's accepted everywhere, and if tomorrow I want to start an NFT or something, why can't I use my Dogecoin to buy, let's say, Ethereum or whatever, and whatever it's needed to create an NFT or created a smart contract to create something. Because as long as, see, they still deal in dollars. That's what, like Ethereum is like $3,000 or $2,600 or something US dollars. In Australia it is like 3,500 something at the moment, 3,800 something moment, but still that's what it is. So still, like, they need currency, so like why not, like they can say that Ethereum is worth 30,000 Doge coins or something similar, whatever is the conversion rate, or tomorrow maybe less or more conversion rate. So the main point is currency, which normal people understand, which normal people, and that's why if you have noticed with Doge coins, in Doge coins the resistance is coming from people who are those crypto gurus and crypto experts, because now maybe like they were sitting on it as a monopoly, they have been like, and now suddenly there is a disruptor coming in their way, and like that is taking it over, and that's where, like, they are restless. It's like they have been the king of Rome, and now somebody else is coming and taking them over, and they don't like it, and that's where they are trying to oppose it. But their opposition is not fundamental. They have never given any fundamental reason why Dogecoin cannot be a cryptocurrency. They don't have, like, it doesn't solve any problem, but that's good. It doesn't have to solve any problem, as I said in my earlier video. Anyways, I can keep going on and on, but my point here is, I'm just summing it up with this point, that other cryptocurrencies, they are trying to solve some problem, let them solve it, it's good for the world, everything. But as far as the currency goes, which normal people deal in, like they don't have to understand that why Cardano is better than Ethereum, or why Chainlink has solving some problem which they cannot without going in the technical details, and why value chain or the chain Thor or something, why they are doing something which this one other one cannot. So yeah, they are the products, that's what I'm saying. They are the products, and they let them solve the problems, and the currency can buy the products whichever way they are. The currency is supposed to be simple, which people know and people understand, and Dogecoin totally properly fills that gap, and that's why it deserves to be where it will be in the future eventually. This is all for today's video, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.